Kinders! So this week we dive in to learning about stars. And these are obviously some of the most beautiful things that you see in the night sky. And I wanted to read you a story about people who look at stars and what they look for, how they look for it. It's kind of neat to learn about people who look at stars and actually do that as a job. It's a real job. So this book is called Stargazers, and it is written and illustrated by Gail Gibbons. Not long after the sun sets, the sky becomes darker and darker. On clear nights, points of light began to appear in the sky. These points of light are stars. Stars give off heat and light because of their hot gases, which make stars shine. Stargazers are people who watch the night sky. Some stargazers are called astronomers. Astronomers know a lot about stars. Some stars are bigger, some are smaller. Most stars are very, very large. The sun is a yellow star. It is over 1 million times larger than our planet Earth. All the other stars in the night sky look tiny because they are so much farther away. Stars are so far away from Earth that their distances are measured in light years, not miles. The sun is 8 light minutes from us. The next star is 4 light years away. Some stars are billions of light years away. Some stars look brighter than others. Also, stars are different colors. Some look red, some are yellow, and others look white. The cooler stars are red. The warmer stars are yellow. And the hotter stars are bluish white. Stars look like they twinkle too. This is because of the air around Earth, called the atmosphere. As starlight travels through the atmosphere, it makes some stars look like they are twinkling. During the night, the stars move across the sky from east to west. This is because the planet Earth turns slowly from west to east. The stars rise and set just like the sun does. During the year, stargazers see different stars in the night. There are stars in the sky during the day too. They just can't be seen because of the bright sunlight. The Milky Way seems milky because it looks like a white cloudy band across the sky. The Milky Way is a galaxy. It is made up of separate stars, too many to count. They blend together because they are very dim and very, very far away. A galaxy is made up of many billions of stars. Our planet Earth is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Long ago, people thought that certain groups of stars formed outlines of people, animals, or things in the sky. They gave them names. These star groups are called constellations. Some of the names sound strange. They came down from the Romans who spoke Latin. Today's stargazers and astronomers still use these old names. The Big Dipper is a pattern of stars in the constellation of Ursa Major, or the Great Bear. Nearby is the Little Dipper. The star at the end of the Little Dipper's handle is the North Star. The North Star has been used to guide people on their journeys for hundreds of years. One constellation was named Orion, after a famous hunter, and is seen in the winter in the southern night sky. Long ago, people thought the star group looked like a hunter with a club, shield, and belt. Near Orion is a group of stars that people thought looked like a dog. It is called the constellation of Canis Major, or the Greater Dog. There are 88 constellations. Some of them are seen at different times of the year. Stargazers and astronomers can locate the stars and constellations in the sky by looking at star charts. Star charts are maps of the sky. Sometimes it may take time and patience to find a special star or a constellation. About 2,000 stars can be seen while looking up at the sky on a clear, dark night. Some stargazers use a pair of binoculars to get a better look at a star or a small group of stars. Other stargazers and astronomers gaze through telescopes. They are able to see some stars clearer and also other stars that are too far away to be seen with the eyes alone. There are two types of telescopes. Refracting telescopes. These are telescopes that lets a person look directly at stars, or reflecting telescopes. These are telescopes that let a person look at a reflection of a star by using two mirrors. Some telescopes are huge. They are in observatories where astronomers study the sky. Most telescopes can take pictures that the astronomers can study later. They are always making new discoveries. People go to planetariums to find out about stars. They sit in a circular room, the lights dim, and everybody looks up. A special machine shows the motions of the stars and planets on the domed ceiling. What a beautiful sight! The planetarium director explains what and where the different stars, constellations, and planets are. At night, the sky sparkles with thousands of stars. The more you study the stars and constellations, the more you will learn. It's fun to be a stargazer. The end. So that's a great story to introduce us to stargazing, and we'll have a chance to do a lot of that this week. I hope you enjoyed learning about it. Bye.